Mindlessly reading through your notes or textbooks isn't an effective method of studying. It doesn't help you process the information. Instead, you should use a proven study strategy that will help you think through the material and retain the information. Strategy 1. SQ3R Method. With the SQ3R approach to reading, you'll learn to think critically about a text. There are 5 steps. Step 1. Survey. Skim through the assigned material. Focus on headings, words in bold print, and any diagrams. Step 2. Question. Ask yourself questions related to the topic. Step 3. Read. Read the text carefully. As you go, look for answers to your questions. Step 4. Recite. Tell yourself the answers to your questions. Write notes about them, even. Step 5. Review. Go over the material again by rereading the text and reading your notes aloud. Strategy 2. PQ4R Method. PQ4R is another study strategy that can help you digest the information you read. This approach has 6 steps. Step 1. Preview. Skim the material. Read the titles, headings, and other highlighted text. Step 2. Question. Think through questions that pertain to the material. Step 3. Read. As you work through the material, try to find answers to your questions. Step 4. Reflect. Consider whether you have any unanswered questions or new questions. Step 5. Recite. Speak aloud about the things you just read. Step 6. Review. Look over the material one more time. Strategy 3. These Method. The These approach can help you prepare to read for information. There are 7 pre-reading steps. Title. Read the title. Headings. Look through the headings. Introduction. Skim the intro. Every first sentence in a section. Take a look at how each section begins. Visuals and vocabulary. Look at the pictures and the words in bold print. End questions. Review the questions at the end of the chapter. Summary. Read the overview of the text.